time she's basically come after me, and the one time I actually do something about it, she's gonna call the cops.
I'll be in there in a minute, okay? Thank you.
She assaulted her sister.
Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Get out! Do you know that my brother's physically assaulted me so many times I couldn't even tell you? You. You. You.
Are we gonna be able to walk down the
I
stairs?
hope you have those cysts on your face, you ugly.
Yep.
You are dead. You ugly.
一名21岁女子由于失恋，醉酒后和姐姐打架，妹妹持刀威胁姐姐，妈妈将妹妹赶出家门并报了警。警员到达现场后，发现21岁的妹妹正在房子的外边徘徊。
Are you fighting with your sister?
You know that's what always happens. You know you've been here a million times.
I haven't.
You know
I've
I'm
only.
not being a. You know I'm just being realistic. What the do you want?
I've only been here once, not a million times.
100万次虽然有点夸张，但也可以看出这个家庭内部问题很多，很可能长期存在家庭暴力。
And how much has the rest of your department been here?
Okay, what happened between you and your sister?
Nothing. She's just a sensitive and I'm drunk.
Okay.
So what are you gonna do? You're gonna write some papers and you're gonna go.
Do you guys physically fight each other?
Yeah, I ripped her hair out. That's her fault. She came at me.
Okay. She came at you and you ripped her hair?
She sure did come at me.
Okay. You didn't rip her hair before she came at you?
No, I wouldn't do that.
Okay. Did you pull a knife on her?
Because she was coming at me. After I ripped her hair out.
Okay.
And I know for a fact, you have what? 10 plus of my mom calling?
I've
And
only
it's never been a serious issue. So what are you doing here?
I've only been here once.
How long have you worked on the force?
Long enough. I've only been here once.
That's already an issue. You know that this house is a joke. So what are you doing here?
Because we were called here because you and your sister were fighting.
Okay, so what? You've been called here so many times, and
Okay.
none of you have ever done anything for my family.
Okay.
Ever.
Well, I'm only worried about what's happening tonight. I can't do
And
anything
you can
about
arrest me. You can go in there and you can do whatever the hell you want because you and your entire force have never done shit.
Okay. Well,
And you all know that.
okay. Well, I'm only here about what happened this morning, not
Yeah,
what happened
you're
before.
always here, so do whatever.
Where are you going?
What are you gonna do?
You're not free to leave.
Try me.
Stop walking away.
Bye.
Where are you going?
What are you gonna do?
Where are you going?
What are you gonna do?
Why can't you stay out here? Don't you think it's a
Because
better?
You've never done anything.
Don't you think it's a better idea to stay away from your sister and your mom right now?
That's why I'm outside.
So-
And they're inside. So it's better for you to go in there and deal with them.
I will as soon as my partner gets here. But I need you to stay outside. What?
Why do you need me?
Because I need you to stay outside right now.
Then what do you need from me?
Do you have your ID on you?
No.
Okay.
You know what? It's actually really funny because when my brother attacked me, I know for a fact your force did nothing. You didn't detain him. You didn't grab him. So now you're going to arrest me. You're going to write some bullshit on your little pen pad.
I didn't say anything about arresting you. Where are you going?
I'm going where I'm allowed to go.
Yeah, you can go inside. That's fine.
What, you want your little cuffs?
What is your problem?
My problem is that I've called you about my dad. I've called you about my brother.
You called me? Because I've never been here for your dad or your brother.
I've called your entire law enforcement. I've called your department. You've done shit.
But that's not me.
And now you're going to come at me?
That's not me.
What are you going to do?
I don't have any control over what anyone else does. So what does that have to do with me? I've never met you before.
What are you going to do that's different?
I just met you 5 minutes ago. So why are you treating me based on how other people are?
Because so many people have been here and you've all treated me the same.
Well, I'm not treating you the same. I'm trying to treat you different.
Well done.
Huh?
So you can either arrest me or go take care of her. I'm done.
Okay, I will as soon as my partner gets here. I'm not going in the house by myself right now. Do you have any injuries? Do you need any medical attention?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, so where did this all happen?
In there.
In the kitchen?
Yes, my mom is just a cop-happy and you guys don't have to be here. It's not a big deal.
Okay, well, when people are physically fighting, that's when we have to come here.
女孩调侃自己的妈妈就是个警察， 言外之意就是妈妈在家里说了算，这好像在和警官控诉自己的妈妈不公平对待两姐妹。
Do you know how many times she's basically come after me? And the one time I actually do something about it, she's
I'll
gonna call
be
the
in there in a
cops.
minute, okay? Thank you.
She assaulted her sister.
Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Get out! Do you know that my brother has basically assaulted me so many times I couldn't even tell you?
Okay, what started with the argument tonight? Okay? Or this morning, I guess.
Nothing. I was just...
看样子这里说的哥哥就是姐姐，两人的矛盾长期存在。女孩一直认为自己是被欺负的那个，而妈妈就是帮凶。
I was just drunk and I got broken up with, that's all.
Okay, so you're mad about getting broken up with?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Well, I just don't understand where this argument with you and your sister started then. Did she say something to you about the breakup?
Yes.
Okay, what did she say?
I don't even know.
Okay.
I just got so annoyed because I'm the youngest and I've been pushed around my whole life.
Okay.
And you guys came here and you've had so many assaults on record and it's been on me. I've never been the person that does it.
Okay.
And to be honest, she came at me and I just felt so much anger from all the times that no one's ever defended me. And I did yank her hair. I totally did.
Okay.
I yanked her down. I didn't even know I was capable of that. I've never done that in my life.
Okay, what happened before you yanked her down by her hair?
I was just crying on the deck because I'm stupid.
You were crying out here?
Yeah,
And then she came out here?
No, my mom came out here.
Your mom came out here, okay. And then what happened?
I don't even know.
Okay, well...
It's so funny to me that she's never once called the cops in defense of me, but the one time I defend myself and I actually hurt someone, that's when you call.
说到底，女孩认为家里人都针对她，没人保护她，也没人为她做什么。她认为所有的问题都在别人身上，从来不检讨自己。
Well, I don't have all control over when people call or don't call. Like I said,
Yeah, whatever, talk to her.
Okay, but I need to talk to you.
I don't care. You don't have a warrant. Do what you gotta do. You can come in.
Don't let her in here. No one cares about you. I don't want to be here. Or your reaction. I don't want to be in the situation. Alyssa, I don't want to be next to her.
Okay, then go outside and talk with my partner, please.
好家伙，女孩的妈妈直接拒绝女孩进入房间，看样子是伤透了心。而警官将双方当事人分开分别调查，也是常规操作。
I'm glad you can finally defend a sibling. I'm so glad you can finally defend a child. Really proud of you. Finally stepped up. Get the...
What?
Why are you following me?
I'm not done talking to you.
Why not talk to me? What do you have to talk to me about?
You did not explain
Go
anything.
talk to her. She's the one who called.
Okay, what happened?
She's the one who finally
Okay, what happened?
finds the need to defend one of her children. It's never me.
What happened after you pulled her hair? What happened then?
I yanked her hair.
Right, and what happened after that?
There wasn't much. I'm being so honest with you. I
Okay.
yanked her hair.
So when did the knife come into play?
Because she came at me.
Okay. How did you hold the knife?
I don't lie like this.
Okay.
So if you want to arrest me, I really don't care.
I need to get your story, that's all. So I can compare it to everyone else's. That's all we're doing right now.
Why?
Because that's what police work
No,
is.
it's honestly it's funny to me because this never happened when my brother attacked me or my dad.
Again, I wasn't here for any of that.
I don't care. Your department
Okay.
failed. So get away from me. I'm going in my room.
What happened?
这个女孩真的有些极端，在她眼里都是和她作对的人，当然也包括警官。
Well, I don't really want to tell you because I don't want to get arrested for this nonsense.
Well, I mean, I just need to know all of what happened because I only got a little bit of her story and I'm just trying to fill in the blanks from the little bit that she would tell me because she would not tell me very much. All she told me is that you were coming at her and she grabbed your hair and slung you down. Do you recall that happening?
Yes.
Okay. Were you like walking towards her to where she thought like you were going to hit her? or were you yelling at her? Like, I'm just trying to explain how we go from arguing to now somebody's hair's getting snatched and thrown to the ground.
She shoved me to get out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I shoved her back.
Okay.
And that's when she pushed me to the ground and went on top of me and hit me and pulled my hair out.
She pushed you to the ground and was on top of you punching you? And your mom saw that too?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know why your mom would say she doesn't remember how all this happened?
Probably because she's tired.
Okay.
She's tired and it kind of happened out of nowhere and it blew up for no reason.
Yeah. What about with the knife? When did that come into play?
At that point it had escalated and I was just like, she said, my mom was defending me.
Mm-hmm.
And at that point, was just like, Libby, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What is your problem? And then she said, you never defend me. You never defend me. Why are you defending her?
Mm-hmm.
Which she was defending me because she's blackout drunk.
Yeah.
And I did nothing but go and get her.
Mm-hmm.
And she was saying how you both are terrible. You didn't defend me. And I went up, and at that point I was mad, and I went up to her, like not up to her, but I went like there was a huge island between us.
Yeah.
And I said, Libby, are you kidding me? Do you not realize what you're doing right now? This is your fault.
Mm-hmm.
You did this. I think she picked up the knife and was just like, go. But she didn't threaten me like with the knife.
She didn't threaten you with it?
No.
可以看出姐姐还是留了情面的，并没有说妹妹持刀威胁她，这和妹妹截然不同，只是苦了这位妈妈，管也不是，不管也不是，都会被妹妹认为妈妈偏袒姐姐。其实这也没办法，谁会喜欢一个无理取闹的人？
Okay.
Why? Why?
For a domestic battery.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
You already told me you did.
There's not even harm on her.
You gotta come with us.
Are you
Step
for
outside.
real?
Step outside. Yeah.
You're for real.
I'm for real. Step outside. Alright, put your hands behind your back.
Are you serious?
Put your hands behind your back.
Are you serious?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Don't pull away.
Oh, no. Are you serious?
Stop it.
She's
Libby,
seriously-
stop it. Or you're going to get a
No.
resisting charge. Stop. Okay? Stop.
Stop. Do not make this any harder. Okay?
Are you serious?
Libby, stop. Stop.
My sister's doing this to me? Do you know how many times she's done? No!
Libby,
No! I'm not
stop,
doing
stop.
it! No!
Push up against me.
No! No! No!
Libby?
No! I won't do it! No!
Stop.
No!
Just cover.
No! No!
Libby, come
I
on,
will
man.
not do it! No!
You're going to get taken to the ground. Can you stop?
No!
Can you stop?
No! You no!
Stop.
No! No! You both! No! No! No!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
Why?
My wall.
You both know I didn't do shit! No! Get off me! No!
Here, my hand right here.
Get off me! No! Tell my sister she's dead to me. She's dead to me. I didn't do anything because I fought back one time in my life. Yeah?
You need anything?
Yeah? Yeah? You threw a frying pan at me. You threw a frying pan at me. You stupid, ugly
Libby,
you.
are you gonna be able to walk down the stairs?
You.
Listen.
You. You.
Are we gonna be able to walk down the
I
stairs?
hope you have those cysts on your face, you ugly.
简直不可理喻，而且还比较恶毒，对待仇人也不过如此吧。
You.
Listen.
No! Get the off me!
All right. You really...
Let's go. Let's go.
We're done.
Get the off me!
We're done. Come on. Ridiculous.
这两位警官也觉得不可思议， 非常荒谬，不得不让人怀疑这还是一家人吗？怎么如此的对立？
Watch door.
You are dead. You ugly. Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
Stop.
No! You, Alyssa! You! Get? Really? I'm a f***ing ginger. What the f*** are you gonna do? Get off me!
红毛是美国的俚语，暗指自己脾气就是这么火爆，你们能把我怎么样？很显然，他要为自己的所作所为付出代价。最终，该21岁女孩被指控家庭暴力，抗拒逮捕，等待她将是法律的严惩。视频一经发出后，引发了广大网友的热议。有网友说：“那真是个好社区，我敢打赌邻居们肯定受不了那家人。”还有网友说：“和他分手的人都躲过了一劫，非常幸运。”更有网友说：“他免费住在一栋漂亮的房子里，却把每个人都当垃圾一样对待，把他和垃圾一起扔出去，然后走开。他能像世界上大多数人一样理解生活。”对于此事件，你有什么看法呢？请在评论区留言。感谢您的观看，下期见。